Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. I thought I would share one of my favorite desserts that is vegan and gluten-free. There is sugar in it. I have found that even people who aren't following a specifically vegan or gluten-free or any kind of diet that has a restriction to it do really enjoy these, and I think that you could make them any time of the year. I make them so that I have something sweet because I usually like something sweet after my dinner meal, but I don't want to go like crazy and I don't want to just have like a billion breads. I mean, that's what I really want to do. Anyway, so here are the ingredients. So this recipe is an adaptation of Alicia Silverstone's Peanut Butter Cups from The Kind Diet. I really love that book. I love all of her recipes. I'm using almond butter in mine, and I'm using the Cocoa Crisps as a substitute instead of graham crackers or cookies. You can kind of substitute a lot of different things, I'm sure. Anyway, so that's where this recipe is adapted from. So I'm going to use and follow her directions, but just sub in a couple ingredients. So yeah. So I'm using these mega chunks from Enjoy Life, the chocolate chunks. Little Earth Balance, buttery butter substitute of butter. Almond butter, so almond butter. So just all the butters, guys. All the butters. Some nut milk. Any kind of nut milk that you like. Any milk from any nut that you like the most. And I've never done this in this recipe before because I usually use cookies, but I'm trying to be gluten-free. I'm getting a package. Hold on 1 second. I think it's my Rent the Runway dresses. Okay. I've never done this before because I typically use crushed up Biscoff cookies, but I'm trying to be gluten-free, so I'm going to try it with these little brown rice cacao crisp cereal. This is gonna be like crispy, peanut, buttery, chocolatey, crispy, chocolatey. I'm trying to get this box out of the frame. Crispy, chocolatey, peanut, buttery goodness. Yeah, so let's go make it. Let's go make some candy. Yeah. Spilled sugar everywhere. Also sugar. You also need sugar. So those are the ingredients, my friends. Okay, so here is the finished product. It got kind of melty because I was taking photos, but it looks like this. It's just like, this isn't one of the cuter ones because I'm saving those anyway. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to see another kind of vegan dessert or gluten-free dessert, just leave a comment and maybe you could try that one next. Yeah, so have a great day. You're the best. Thanks for being here.